just on simulations generally, how do you feel, say if I were in a different field like physics or biology, how do you feel that simulations can stimulate learning?
Well, I mean, it is a very good tool because it stimulates the imagination of the students, and it makes questions arise because you can see the shape of things in real time, and students can understand what are the criticalities in the systems they are trying to reproduce, and understand where, for example, in management examples, but also this can apply in other disciplines like engineering, where the bottlenecks of a system are. For example, in one of my modules, we have a simulation game that is called the beer game. Beer. Okay. That was developed by MIT in the United States, that simulates the whole process of manufacturing and distribution of beer, from the brewery to the pub where the beer is actually delivered to the final customer. And so how do we make sure that the beer is produced in the right quantity, delivered on time to the distributor, delivered on time and in the right quantity, and of course with good characteristics to the final pub, to the retailer where the customer can go. There are a series of bottlenecks in this process, of course. It is a very complex supply chain, and everything that goes wrong may affect the performance of it and the experience of the final customer. So through simulation, students can really see where these bottlenecks are and what are the critical factors we should pay attention to.
So generally speaking, simulations can encourage students to look for critical elements, critical instances. It can also encourage them to ask sort of what if type questions.
That is the main thing. I mean, through simulation,
what if we do this?
You can give a lot of emphasis, place a lot of emphasis on scenario analysis.
Yes.
Play this sort of games. So what if we change some conditions at the factory? What if we hire more workers? What if we adopt a more efficient information technology platform that allows for a better coordination with our customers? What kind of impact does this have on the overall performance of the system? It can be a supply chain, but it can be any other sort of system of which you want to measure the performance.